Let's go.
Hey! Disappear! Hi guys, how you doing? What's good? What's good, Chief? Yeah, Kadi's back with another video today. Oh, hey, I'm excited. No, I'm hoping you guys are gonna enjoy this one. Today is a different kind of video that I'm excited to film. And yes, I'm in the bathroom. I hope it's not too echoey. Yeah, I'm in the bathroom because the lighting here is just too good. It's too good, you know. Now today I'm going to be reviewing Revolution makeup products, specifically concentrating on these two. You guys might have seen them. They are so affordable. £5 each. £5 each. This is the banana powder. This is the banana one, and this one is, oh my god, I don't know if I can pronounce this one. The Terracotta. Oh my god. No, this is the Terracotta powder, the slightly darker one, way darker than the banana one. And I'm gonna be comparing them and seeing what's good, which one's slightly better, or if they both work the same. I don't know. We'll wait to find out and stuff. Yeah, I'm just hoping you guys enjoy the video, so let's get right into the video. I'm gonna start off by putting a bit of foundation. I have some already, but I want a bit more because I just feel like I just need to. I'll put a little bit on my sponge. A little bit on my sponge, and I forgot my mirror. So I'm gonna be using the camera. I'm using the camera, and I'm gonna be using the mirror next to me. I know it's so awkward for me to go up and down. Yeah, so I've done my eyebrows already. You guys have already seen that probably. I just thought, you know what, I'm not gonna do a full makeup. This is not a makeup tutorial, this is just a review. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the foundation that I'm using. I'm using the Maybelline New York Dream Satin Liquid in the shade Golden Caramel. That's number 13. Yeah, it's really cheap. I think it's like $7.99, which is really good, and I love it. It's just so good on my skin. And then I'm using Fawn. Let's see if it... Nah, I'll have to move the focusing point. I just don't want to do that because it will affect me. Right, I'm just gonna blend it as you do. It's all about the blending. If you guys haven't noticed, I have my braces on and I'm so happy. Like, having no braces, God. Do you know what? You never appreciate your teeth until something happens. You never appreciate anything until something happens. Honestly, your teeth are so important. But yeah, I'm so glad that all that nice and straight. I've been wearing retainers pretty much every day, every night, and doing all that business. I might do a video on braces and stuff. We'll see how it goes. Okay, now that's done, should we start comparing? So let's use the banana. Now I have taken off the little thingy, the little slip which was here, because you know, you gotta check what you're buying first. Okay, so I've opened both the baking powders and I've just put them on my hand, and as you can see, hopefully, that this one is completely light. Let's start off with this one. I'm just gonna tip it. I'm gonna tip it into here. But I've put a bit in here. I don't know if you can see, but right, this is risky. If I do this on camera, hopefully this will. I literally can't. So now that I've contoured, which took me ages, honestly, my leggings are all dirty. Right, now it's time to take off the lovely powder. So I take my studio brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is, guys. It's just a brush, it works, and it's all good. And I did go to Kiko at one point and I got this powder, but they don't do it anymore in this shade. I feel like, you know what? When makeup like companies begin, they do all shades, right? And they do really, you think they're really good, and then they get really popular, and then they stop doing the dark shades. I'm just like, so I'll take this and then I'm just gonna go here and just start rubbing this off. So far, this powder, I don't know, you know what, everyone's been like, it's so good. I just don't know if I'm not using it right. It's just, what, did I put a bit too much? Because I can really tell this would give me backlash already. I'm not so sure about this at all. Ooh. You guys, this powder, the one that I can't pronounce, the terracotta, I don't know why I can't say it. I'm liking that one instead. I mean, on that skin, melanin, girls, I'm telling you. Okay, so I've just taken everything off. I've got a mirror, you know, my side mirror, and looked like it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. I just think I automatically prefer this one, and that's just because I like that orangey yellow undertone. This one I just feel like it's a bit too light, like it will give me backlash like that. But you know what, maybe it's not, I'm not using it right, or it's just not working on me. But I know on other people have been like, it's good, it's all good and stuff. But for me, I'm a little bit scared. I mean, it looks nice now, but if I take a picture of the flash, Where's it gonna go? Let me do my eyes. A little bit, not too much. I don't feel like doing a lot today. Just some basic. And this is Revolution again. Guys, this is £4. £4. Look at this palette, guys. Get your orange for £4, man. You know, if you go to MAC, it's like what? £13. I'm like, you're mad. You are actually mad. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's very simple, pretty nude really, and this is what I like most of the time. I'm not too dramatic. I do like lashes, but I just, you know, not today. I need to give my eyes a break. I really did like both products. I mean, they are £5, which is really good, and they do exactly what I want. Well, this one does more than what I want. This one is just amazing. It's my favorite one. I recommend it. I recommend that you try it, especially for my dark skin girls. For my dark skin girls, guys, or for all my black girls out there, use this one. You will love it. You will love it. If you don't, then you don't. But I guarantee you, this is good, and it's only £5. What's there to lose? This one, I'm working on it, you know, trying to make it fit me. I don't know if I should try with a brush instead, if that makes it any different, because some people say they try with sponges and the powder appears differently than when they used a brush. So I might try a brush instead because it just didn't like me at all. Yeah, so this is the video. They're not bad products at all. Right? This one, look at the orange outside. It's just too good. It's too, you know what I mean? It's just too good. It's too good. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, my Instagram and Snapchat. Yeah, you guys keep up to date with me on there. I do try and post regularly, you know, and yeah, so I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, please share, and yeah, hope to see you guys soon